Charger Rebel here. I got this cool little multi-tool ReverTac got online. They got like several good tools on it. The saw, fishing hook, remover, flathead, Phillips head knife, bottle can opener, flatheads, nail file, needle nose, regular pliers, and wire cutters. Heavy duty with a lifetime guarantee. I'm gonna start making me like a new bug out bag, and I was gonna put this thing in it. Yeah, plus another thing too. Got off Amazon, and you get there's actually several different colors to choose from. Just go on Amazon and check it out. Thanks.